would you rather be a very famous comedian who only does crowd work, or be a great open micer comedian with great jokes with dignity but not famous at all?
Why did you have to add with dignity? Are you telling me?
Second option, because as the saying goes, sometimes less is more.
Karan Johar on a podcast said, no, I'm not using Ozempic. I'm on OMAD. Okay. And then people in the comments were like, who's that guy?
Listen, it's common between Virat and me in London. People don't recognize both of us. So,
Hey, that happens to me in Mumbai also.
Lots of people adopt female dogs. She's going to emit some pheromones. Then all the male dogs are going to get very attracted to her. उस time पे मेरा patriarch जाग गया कि मेरी बेटी पे डोरे डालोगे तुम parents. They said कि आप एक काम करो, आप Vicks लगा दो, उसके pheromones mask हो जाएंगे.
Vicks की गोली लो, वूफ वूफ दूर करो.
Blink, rick, katak. Joke funeral.
Hello. Welcome to the show, everybody, and to the 3 special people who are watching my videos from China, according to YouTube stats. Ni hao. Welcome to Joke Funeral, a show where we discuss jokes that died on stage.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, 3 people from China. Come on.
You know that's VPN, right? That is some kid in Mysore only. Who has VPN?
Why is somebody watching this video on VPN?
There's just 3 guys who are wondering why you are asking how their knee is at this point.
Yeah, ni hao.
Last night I googled, how do you say hi in Chinese?
In Mandarin or
In
Cantonese?
Mandarin, in Mandarin.
After 10 years of watching Russell Peters, you're still calling it Chinese? Come on, man.
But welcome to the show. Welcome to the show, guys. This is the show where we try to make our jokes better. And today we have a very OG Mumbai comedy scene lineup of comedians
I've
who...
never been called Mumbai scene guy. I appreciate.
You are almost.
Almost, huh? Mentally, though.
He's been here for
Mentally,
a
though.
decade now.
Yeah. Because I remember we all started around like the same, like everybody was doing open mics around 11, 12, 13. Then 14, 15, all also writing award shows and stuff.
Oh,
like
God.
scripts for different kinds of celebrities.
Rite of passage.
Rite of passage.
Yeah.
Then everybody went and sorted their personal lives and got married.
Yeah.
And now here we are with different kinds of offsprings.
Wow.
Yes.
Baby, dog, cat.
Quiz show.
But the one thing that unites us is our imposter syndrome. So
Yes.
it's good
Yes.
to have you guys. Thank you for joining. And the first question, yesterday I thought for a change, let me ask. I asked on Instagram, I'm shooting this episode tomorrow. So is there any question you would like me to ask the comedians? And one very good question one audience member sent.
Yeah.
And the question is a would you rather question.
Oh no.
Abbe yaar.
Beer biceps follows you, or what?
These are the questions that end comedy scenes. Please stop asking these questions.
But it's a good would you rather question. Okay. It's a tricky one. Okay, because crowd work is so much in discussion right now.
Correct.
The question from the audience member was that would you rather be a very famous comedian who only does crowd work, or be a great open micer comedian with great jokes with dignity but not famous at all your life?
Why did you have to add with dignity? Are you telling me other people who are famous
So-
don't have dignity?
So my career trajectory is a lot like the second option. So I think I have involuntarily chosen the second one only.
No, it's good.
But crowd work, I just don't have it in me to talk to strangers so much or be interested in their lives.
I agree. I agree.
It's exhausting after a point.
Yeah, after a point. But if you had to choose between the two,
Second one.
open micer all your life, great jokes but only open mics.
Depends on what my financial situation is otherwise. Open micer who writes.
Yeah.
Open micer who writes for other comedians.
Yes. Or writes.
Writes. Okay.
Basically my LinkedIn profile right now.
Okay.
As the saying, second option, because as the saying goes, sometimes less is more.
Oh,
Yes.
yaar.
Said it.
That is even.
Here.
I must admit, 15 years I have not been able to do crowd work, and never has my lack of incompetence felt so fulfilling. Lack of competence, sorry. कि ये तो होता ही नहीं है. So then you're like, okay.
Hey, you've done crowd work thoda bahut. I've
No,
seen
man.
you.
I was forced by a lot of people to
Yes.
try
हाँ.
and do crowd work because everyone was like, hey, this is the easy way of cutting content and तुम बस लोगों से बात कर लो. But like Sonali said, मेरे को कोई interest नहीं है कि तुम क्या करते हो, तुम्हारी life क्या है. आओ joke सुनो और दफा हो जाओ. That's the approach.
Great. Yeah,
Since
great.
day one.
Nice.
So two.
I'm glad Two?
Option B.
Everybody two?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I thought somebody would say one at least.
Who wants to
What
be
about
famous?
you,
I don't know.
Sampan?
But you don't want to like make money ever, or what, guys?
I don't want to talk to so many people. That's the
See,
main
I
thing.
live in Goa. मेरा rent बहुत कम है, तो मैं करेगा no problem.
Exactly. There is nothing good in being famous. Name one positive thing about being famous. It's disgusting.
100% agree.
Okay, so this show is cancelled.
Show funeral.
On that note, let's integrate our brand
Yeah.
for the day.
Okay. Good answer. Thank you. The second question which came, which is also, I think, a good question. What is that one thing that comedians say on stage that you absolutely hate?
On stage. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
on stage. Off stage तो फिर हम बहुत कुछ discuss कर
Off
सकते
stage
हैं.
is will you do my panel show?
Hey man, what the fuck, man?
100%. I
Which is
agree.
why I have most respect on this panel for Sonali. Never once has asked me to be on a panel show.
You know, my pet peeve is when a comic does well on stage, comes back in the green room, and you're still left, and it'll be like, killer crowd. And you're still left to go, and you're just like, mera bomb hone wala hai abhi to. That is one pet peeve I have.
I was thinking mine is when a comedian cracks like a topical joke that does not land, and they're like,
Oh, yeah.
wow, only 3 people read the newspaper in the room. Huh? No, your joke is
yeah.
not relevant.
Yeah.
That's
That's
So
my
again,
standard.
see-
That's my standard response to when jokes tank.
Those talk lines though used to happen.
you have a line that you hate that comedian.
I hate. So I'll tell you, I hate myself for using this line the most. तो मेरा क्या होता है, because मैं इतना कम मटेरियल लिखता हूँ, तो मेरे मोस्टली काफी जोक 4 साल पुराने हैं, ठीक है? And then I hate myself every time I say, last week I read in the newspaper.
Recently.
And so then when I catch other comics also doing it, because
Yeah.
I do it so often and I hate myself for it, I'm like, man.
We had this running joke with Sapan and EIC where for years, okay, he did this. Recently, there was an SMS ban. World has moved on to WhatsApp. He's like, recently there is SMS ban.
3 years I've allowed that joke
But yeah, I hate myself for using this.
for using this. I thought you'll say let's form a comedy collective.
No.
Nobody's saying that.
That's fine. अब नहीं कर रहे ना लोग.
Do you think that's also an interesting thing? Like, do you think the era of comedy collective is gone, or do you think it'll come back?
Everything comes back, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything
I think मुझे लग रहा है अब
comes
टाइम
back.
आ गया है वापस से. कोई दिल्ली
Yeah.
में कोई बना देगा. I think.
Like in Bollywood, they have na Dharma camp, YRF camp. So it'll be camp,
Yes.
camp
Yeah.
scene.
Yes, that is true. There are
Yes.
camps.
There are
Camps
camps,
is already exist. I think maybe as companies, people are not doing it anymore.
Yeah.
Because I also think
Yeah.
everyone's learned to. It's
Yeah,
not
yes.
worth it.
Not starting.
It's not worth it. Also, I think when the scene started, it was that time individual fame नहीं देखा था ना लोगों ने collectively. अब I think when you have like people, even if you're younger, you see a Zakir, you see a Samay, then as a young comic, you're like, oh, I can become that big
That-
on my own.
Yeah,
Then they're like कि मेरे को क्या जरूरत 4
Yeah.
लोग और साथ में लगाने की. I think
Yeah.
that's also a difference. But
Yeah.
camp is the right approach.
Yeah, but I also feel like people start as a collective and then realize what are their fortes and how they want to pursue their own
Yeah, which is what happened to
particular
actually all of
careers.
us. Yeah.
So I think collective is a good way to start, and then you just find an amicable way to break up and
Yeah.
then pursue your own individual
Yeah.
careers.
I also realized one thing, and you will relate to this. It is easier to start a company. It is more difficult to shut it down.
Yes.
Legally.
Oh yeah, EIC is still
It's
active as
still-
a company.
We're trying to shut it down for the last 5 years.
भर रहे हो GST भर रहे हो
कुछ ना कुछ चल ही
Well,
रहा है.
Aditya knows.
Who's that guy?
All right, before we get into the jokes, I wanted to give a special shout out. So what we try to do on this show is we try to make our jokes better, right? Our writing better. So Super You reached out to me last week because they also believe that it's good to get better. So Super You, for all of us, for you guys, have sent their new and improved protein wafers. For all of you guys. So there is chocolate flavor from here. There is strawberry creme.
I love the strawberry.
Like
It's
this.
very good, yeah.
Chocolate peanut butter.
Nice.
Yes.
And there is also
Nice.
cheese. There is
Yes.
cheese.
I have had
Yeah.
all of them.
Yep.
Very
Yes.
nice.
Okay.
I've had the wafers and I love them.
It's new and improved because it is made with atta and jowar and there is no maida, guys. No palm oil. So
And
it is-
Hamza Ali Mazari is selling it to you guys, so that's also
Yes.
amazing.
in fact, Ranveer Singh personally called me.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. He called me this morning. He was like, I'm a big fan of the show.
Nice.
It's the third best thing on the internet after Dhurandhar 1 and Dhurandhar 2.
Wow.
Okay, that's yeah.
So
High
the show is
praise.
on the way to earn 1,000 crores soon.
Yeah.
In fact, he personally came and gave these. He just left. He was here. just before you guys came. 11:30 he came. He dropped off all of these.
Then
And
he had to run.
then he had to run. I said that some kuch chai nashta. He's like, nahi, I'll eat super on the way.
Oh, nice. Wow, his entire diet is now just this only. Contractually, every meal for Ranveer is just super you.
No
super me.
chakna, only super you.
I think it's better that we share flavors instead of everybody taking one because I want
fair.
I want one of.
I mean, that's the theme of the show. We are sharing jokes and punchlines and
Yes.
tags. So why not share super?
क्या बात है
bars
क्या
also?
बात है क्या बात है. So I'm gonna take one chocolate one from you later.
Sure.
But should we get into the jokes?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna keep this.
यहाँ लगा
Can I
देते
keep
हैं
it here? Is it okay? We keep it here. Okay.
More visibility. What
सेंटर
brand will
फ्रेम में
say
ऐसे
no?
लगा
Yeah.
दे, ऐसे लगा दे सेंटर फ्रेम.
वो थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा.
इतने पैसे नहीं दे रहे, नो प्रॉब्लम.
नहीं
पीछे रख देते.
पैसे वो क्या होता है?
Okay, okay.
So should we get into the jokes?
Yes.
Who wants
Sure.
to start? Azim, you wanna start?
Okay, sure. I will start.
I'm actually gonna open one till then. Yeah, but start.
Okay. So yeah, so I think for me, so this is a bit, I don't know why, for whatever reason, it's a bit that I've just never been able to get going. And I don't know if you all will relate to this, but the more generic the premise, the harder it is for me to write it.
Yeah.
Because my brain gets pulled in so many directions that I just get this decision fatigue and I'm like, मैं कुछ नहीं लिख सकता. Whereas like for like a political
Specific.
or topical thing, it's very easy for me to write.
Yeah.
Correct.
So my main premise that I've tried to write about is that I hate going on vacation. I hate it because I realized I picked this because I knew Sonali would be here. Which is that for me, I hate the planning of the vacation. Like for me, it is so stressful to plan a vacation that now after planning the vacation, I need a vacation from planning the vacation only.
Fair.
It is too much and there is too much fucking society pressure to have a good time and to do shit on vacation. Like my idea of vacation, I want to go somewhere, do nothing.
पर वो तो गोवा में भी कर रहा है.
Exactly, which is why I don't want to go anywhere. मैं इतना रेंट भर रहा है, I mean इतना भी नहीं, but रेंट भर रहा है घर में रहने के लिए. You want me to leave my comfort zone and go? Why? Why do I have to leave and you are forced to do these things. You are forced to have good time. And अपना Indian mentality of traveling is also कि ऐसा full maximum maximize. Oh, this is the English speaking audience.
Optimize and maximize.
I would
and
like to
maximize.
thank Ren and Martin.
I think the problem is that Indians in general, like we have this thing that Indians travel badly. It's just like you contrast it to white people. They are just so comfortable in just doing whatever. They will sit, they will lie. In Goa also, you never see white people going anywhere. You just see them just lying there,
Chilling.
vegetating, chilling. Indians anywhere abroad, you see they are always in motion. कि इधर पहुंच गए, अभी next कहाँ जाने का है. Just always in motion at all times. Like and sightseeing, main things. I hate sightseeing. It's like कुछ दिखाओ जो देख सके at all points. कुछ something visible I want to see. And in India, especially in your hill stations, sightseeing is basically one collection of 3 points. Same 3 points that exist everywhere.
Of course.
Which is your sunset point, echo point, suicide point. And how,
In that order.
Yeah, in that order. And basically, the guy comes to you and he is like, there'll be a guide who's literally pointing at sunset. I'm pointing at sunset point. Okay? वहाँ पे there was one guy who was watching the sunset. He got so bored, he jumped only suicide point. If you go there, you could hear him screaming as he went down echo point. I was like, how is every hill station a collection की कोई sunset देख के कूद रहा है और कोई वहाँ से सुन रहा है? It is just this compilation of things going on. So I've reached this. I've reached that point of it, but I've never known where to go because there's so many places to go.
There's a lot.
But do you think this becomes easier to write if you become more specific about the location, like you have done
Yeah,
the
hill station.
hill station?
Yeah.
Because उसमें specific examples भी होंगे ना for people to understand what you're talking about. Is my assumption.
So I've tried to go more into the psyche of Indians as travelers only. So one theory or one thing that I had was that Indians genetically only we are not wired to travel because historically if you look, we have always been the people who stayed here and there have been outsiders who would travelers coming to seek India.
As a Sikh man, I don't relate to this at all. I think we are genetically wired to leave the farthest possible shore. We only go northwest corner of Canada और southeast corner of Australia and रास्ते में इंग्लैंड आ गया तो हम लंबा ही जाते छोटा नहीं जाते अपन ये नहीं जाते अपन इराक कुछ नहीं जाने का. So I disagree but I get it build
No, but in the sense that Indians, like, we were, because we looked 1,500 years ago, at that time India was technically the first world, right? It was a center of like science and culture, and travelers from everywhere, like anywhere in the West, you ask them kahan jane ka, tera India jane ka, pata nahi kidhar hai, but jane ka. Basically, you just get in a ship, reach a wrong place, claim that it is India, that you are so desperate to reach there.
Yeah.
And we were so advanced that people would come to our countries and invite us, travelers from China, and saying, come to our country. And they would say that, fuck your country, we would say. You have nothing in your country, and I can't even explain to you what nothing means, because zero I'm inventing next week. So I have like these 2-3 jokes that are good,
2-3 jokes, yeah.
but I've never managed to
Yeah, but
get
I think the
structure
opening
into
itself, I relate very hard to this. I feel like the planning of a holiday is too much pressure.
Too much.
And I feel like, especially what has happened, 2 things I think have ruined this. Ek to with foreign planning, you have to do it many months in advance, and the whole visa process
visa
just
process.
drains you out.
Yeah.
You're done in that. And I was also writing something similar. My bit was about how, for me, Instagram has ruined travel. Because what
Yes.
happens is, the minute you start search, for example, you're going to Bangkok, abhi main Bangkok gaya, theek hai, I started searching Bangkok hotel, Bangkok flight.
Sure.
Instagram algorithm knows I'm going to Bangkok.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
all the reels pop up.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
now you have seen everything before you've reached Bangkok.
Yeah.
And you have seen it in the best way possible. You've seen the drone shots, color corrected with the music. So by the time you reach the actual destination, it's not as exciting. Because you saw the drone shot already. ना अभी तो यहाँ से खड़े होके 50 लोग के बीच में देख रहा है. So I feel like every time now I plan a trip, I want to stay away from Instagram, because this happened 2-3 times recently that I went to Barcelona, I've already seen everything. Now what is
Yeah.
exciting?
And this water is never as blue as the fucking...
never. It's all color corrected.
Never. So can they not give some glasses to color correct in live?
Instagram
3D
filter. You want
glasses.
Instagram
Yeah, I
filter?
want Instagram filter to see
Paris
in-
filter sunglasses.
Yeah, literally Paris filter sunglasses.
Meta Ray-Ban for next episode sponsorship if you are watching.
Super You's coming up with new glasses.
So I have 2-3 points on this. I think एक दो punchline random stupid सा आया. एक है कि इंडिया में 18th century में visa on arrival नहीं होता था, empire on arrival होता था. This was one very dumb joke. I had a question to you.
Yeah.
As a community that is very famous on Instagram right now for traveling. As
And
Gujaratis.
dancing. Yeah.
Oh,
As Gujaratis traveling
yeah.
Gujaratis traveling is a subculture on
Yes,
Instagram.
100%.
So when you all are planning, are you also planning location की यहाँ पे dance करने का है और यहाँ पे गरबा करने का है, or is it just hotel and booking and all?
So the thing is, that happens when you go in a group. Mostly I have solo traveled.
Yes.
So, but yeah, Gujarati travelers, they really announce their arrival before you see them is a fact.
Have you ever traveled as a Gujarati group, or you've never traveled with a Gujarati, like a big group?
No, she
No,
did
I
at the
have-
start, which is why she does solo now. She's like, बहुत देख लिया अभी, enough.
But the starting part of like how Indians just want to do something,
Yeah.
that is super interesting.
Yeah,
That is
yeah.
very relatable, because Indians have this thing that no matter where you go, there is always this question, but यहाँ है क्या करने को?
yeah.
क्या कर
यहाँ
सकते हैं?
है क्या
Yes.
करने
They
को?
can't chill.
Yeah.
Even when I went to Ladakh, I remember one guy was like, तुम यहाँ से 2 महीने क्या कर रहे हो? मतलब है क्या करने को? हम like, तुम पहाड़ों में हो भाई, तुमको क्या करना है?
तुम
So,
चाइना जा सकते हो.
तुम्हें यहाँ से पाकिस्तान नजर आ रहा है. What a wonderful thing. I mean, I was very excited about that. So he's like, हाँ, लेकिन उसमें है क्या करने को?
Yeah.
So I think this is like, you take Indians anywhere.
Yeah.
Now we're planning travel to
क्या
space.
कर सकते हैं? ना.
Mars में जाके है क्या लेकिन करने
Yeah,
को?
yeah,
यहाँ
करने को
पहुंच
क्या है?
गए. So I think you can take it to those.
That's what
points.
who you're describing is my dad.
Yeah.
Literally, like he wants if we have to plan a family holiday, it has to have like full day planned out. कि 2 बजे वही
Yeah.
मंदिर जाएंगे गोवा में जाके भी. Like
Nice.
ISKCON.
हाँ, like we'll go to temples, we'll go to this market, we will go to a
Yeah.
museum, but nobody can chill. You can't chill in the hotel.
Basically, अगर कैफे में बैठ के कॉफी पीनी है, तो then you can do that at home also. Why
Yeah,
do we have to come?
All the way.
Whereas for our gen, it's like if I'm drinking a coffee in Paris, I'm drinking a coffee in Paris.
Yeah.
Do you think this also is different for you guys कि in terms of where you're going? Like I can understand this sentiment क्योंकि मेरे साथ भी होता है when I'm traveling to Europe because you're like पूरी तुमने जायदाद के तो कागज रख दिए वीजा लेने
Yeah,
के लिए
yeah,
है ना
yeah.
कि भाई वीजा तो then you're like you want to maximize but like Thailand and all I won't care I'm like हाँ ठीक है तो फिर से
Yeah,
आ
I
जाएंगे
agree,
फिर से आ
yeah.
जाएंगे देख मिस हो गया तो हो गया
हाँ. Yeah, it's
Possible.
very high stakes when you go. Like I think the more the harder the visa is to get.
yes
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, but that's very fine that the harder the visa process, the
That's a
more you
great
want to
point.
vasool it.
Yeah.
That's true.
I'm just because just from a visa on arrival, I think अब वो respect नहीं है. Indians की भी वो they treat it like.
इसीलिए थाईलैंड वापस से वीजा लगवा रहा है वापस से.
Yeah, yeah.
Because like तुम कुछ ज्यादा ही ऐसे.
You're not respecting.
No, and
You're not
you
respecting
just, I think, just by default, you just behave little bit more when you have to go and speak to an immigration officer.
Yeah.
No
Also,
matter
yeah.
what it is, no matter who you are, when you
Fajati,
leave when you enter the country, there is this moment of, अरे बच गया, आने दिया वापस.
Yeah.
They didn't catch my scam. You feel like कि
मेरे को visa on arrival पहली बार imposter syndrome हुआ था.
हाँ, हुआ था ना.
Like,
Yeah.
You're good. I get it.
Yeah. Then the other filter which I had was, of course, traveling with somebody. Where with Sana and me, like we are completely opposite, like kinds of travelers. Sana wants to do something all the time, and eventually, like literally every holiday we have, कुछ झगड़ा हो जाता है कि I want to sit and do nothing, she wants to sit and do something, and then eventually now both of us. I'm like कि अगर झगड़ा करना ही था तो घर पे ही कर सकते थे.
नहीं, like she said, drinking coffee in Paris, doing झगड़ा in Paris. झगड़ा hits different.
पेरिस में झगड़ा का स्वाद ही अलग है.
With that fresh AQI and some croissants going around.
croissant के साथ.
Croissant.
Like some French has seeped into your fighting also.
But actually, traveling with your partner is a good hook anyway, right? That would, I would imagine, be very relatable.
Yeah.
To people. Have you built on that? Something?
Wait, I think it's just because there is so many
So much to
directions
do.
to take this.
So much
Where I'm
to
like,
do.
where do I go?
Travel is a big,
Huge.
It's a big this
big
thing.
umbrella.
Yeah.
But it's a nice, like slightly controversial opinion that you hate travel.
Yeah.
It will
Yeah.
like rile people up in the audience a little. It's a nice this thing to like.
Yeah.
Because of Instagram, everybody wants to travel,
Yeah.
and now everybody wants to make reels also.
Yeah.
Like even accounts with like 200 followers are making the same reel.
Yeah.
3 hidden gems in Thailand. भाई तू पहली बार गया है, तुझे बाकी वो देखा ही नहीं है Thailand. 3 hidden gems पहले ही बना दिए देख
Yeah.
के.
Before going on holiday, I have identified what cafe I want to go to, and मैं menu भी देख के बैठा है कि अच्छा मैं वहाँ पे जाएगा 2 हफ्ते में, फिर मैं ये order
I think this is
करेगा.
why you hate travel.
Exactly. No,
You're
and
too
no,
much.
that's
Overplan.
so
You're
I
too
am
much.
an over planner. That I
Yeah.
turn everything into work.
Yeah.
मैं therapy में भी काम कर
Yeah.
रहा है इसमें.
Yeah, I was actually going to go say that I think you're a bad traveler, but I'm like, that'll become a therapy session. And I'm with Sana on that.
But yeah, I think I understand the problem also. There's too many premises. Like
Yeah.
there's
Yeah.
planning of it, there's travel, there's the
Then I had gone into the staycation aspect also of it,
Oh
which
my
was
God.
then
Yeah, you
other.
need another
Yeah, I'm like,
holiday.
this is the biggest scam of
Same,
all.
I
कि
agree.
मतलब in the same, what is the scam where
Yeah.
this is the concept of staycation is this, where what if I told you that you could, if you have a house that you are paying EMI or rent on, you could continue to pay EMI and rent, and then not stay in that house to go 200 meters away,
Yes.
and stay in a 5-star hotel for the value add benefit of having the same sex with the same person in a different bed.
Oh, sex भी होता है क्या staycation में?
Sorry, I mean sometimes, but breakfast buffet. Someone is giving you breakfast, so only value add benefit.
Very
And
good
room
way of, very
service.
good way of putting it.
room service, Swiggy, Blinkit.
No, what is Blinkit if not
Fair.
room service?
Yeah, in fact, I again, Chani and I have the same discussion because she wants to do staycation. I'm like, staycation तो मैं कभी ना. I'll go to Lonavala and stay there. But in the same city, it feels criminal to pay like to a hotel because I feel like Sonali's like just
Why am I siding with the wives in my head? Like, I fully get where they're coming from.
I think इसमें it feels like this is 30 minutes of material.
This is
if
an
you
hour
go into
if I keep
100%.
going.
Yeah.
This
Because
is-
there are too many subtopics.
Yeah. So this is my thing is that I want to flesh this out completely and just have this as one corporate set that I do.
This is a show,
nowhere.
dude.
I have a genuine question because I've never done material on travel. But do you think when you're talking to audiences, like, do they find it relatable, or is it just because if you're a younger audience, you're like, I don't even know this?
You
like,
have to find a way to make it relatable. Because
Yeah.
like there are many audience members who haven't been abroad
Yeah.
or maybe haven't been to the place you're talking about.
It's
So
also
it's
I was
about
gonna say the same
behaviors,
thing.
and I think it's if it's more about like behaviors and like attributes of how you travel and like how Indians versus other people if you
Yeah.
attribute that way.
Yeah.
It is true. It is also a privilege that we're all
Yeah.
well traveled, thankfully. So we are judging this. So like, मेरा एक set है जो which was my first video on this YouTube channel, which was the set about going to Europe.
Yeah.
I had that bit about the
Zindagi
fact
Na
that I wanted to go to
Cabaret
Europe
and
after
all,
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, and my dad booked Kesari Tours and Travels. Okay, so I've gone on Kesari Travels with my family, and it's a killer set. I performed everywhere, but there were times when I've done this set in corporate shows and all, and people were like, "तो problem क्या है? ऐसे तो जाते हैं, मतलब Kesari Travels में जाना है. What do you mean you go alone?" So a lot of
I'm
times.
going tomorrow.
Yeah. So like I have actually done this show and somebody's come and met me after saying, But Kesari is amazing, na? They have not understood the irony also of me saying कि भाई ये बर्बाद है.
Yo, did Kesari sponsor it? This is a brand opportunity.
Kesari Tours and Travels. We are sending you Super You. Please come and
You started
sponsor the
making
next
movies
episode.
Oh, wow. Crazy.
Sorry guys.
Is there a Kesar flavor?
इसमें मेरे को ये जरूर लगता है, ये genuinely मेरे को थॉट आया था कि like when you are super privileged,
हाँ.
like अब जैसे अनंत अंबानी कहाँ छुट्टी कर रहा है? Like वो तो उसका
Third
घर नहीं,
Third
exactly. For him every day is a staycation, right? So if every day is a staycation, where do you go? Like that is maybe one angle.
Do you think Anand Ambani has been in every room in Antilla so far?
No chance.
I don't think he knows also.
Yeah. No
Impossible.
chance, no?
I think you can play Pokemon Go inside the building. कि कहाँ जा रहे हैं, पकड़ सारे. Like I swear. No, but genuinely, like what if maybe that's an angle that where do super privileged people go? Like it's very weird.
Mars now, clearly.
Yeah.
No, but
Space
like-
and all.
yeah.
Like they want those weird
They do private islands.
Lake Como. Lake Como भी नहीं, but yeah.
हमारी सभी गरीबी
Private
निकल जाएगी
islands.
इसमें.
Yeah.
Private
करते करते.
islands.
If you are a trillionaire in the comment section, please let us know where you are going.
Also
for
send
your
40
holiday.
rupees super chat.
No, also I think for the very privileged, they travel to get away from being recognized, which is the
Yeah.
major
Embassy
thing,
wala.
right?
Like
Yeah.
Anushka Virat
Yeah,
relocating.
yeah. Basically that.
But London,
And they went
it's
to
like
London.
London of all the places.
To not get
I mean,
recognized.
listen, it's common between Virat and me. In London, people don't recognize both of us. So,
Hey, that happens to you in Mumbai also.
No, I get that. That is, the privacy angle is also interesting.
Yeah.
उसमें भी actually आप behavior का कर, but that's a different angle only. How
I
you
think
look
there's
at
a lot of
celebrities.
angles. I think
I
you
have to
pick
structure
one.
this set as per income tax slab. 0 to 10 lakhs, 10 to 20, 20 and above.
No, I agree. Like you used to do those hostels and all.
Backpacking.
Yeah,
Backpacking, and I'm
backpacking,
like, absolutely hell no.
Yeah,
like
chance.
मैं
Can't.
3 इंच के गद्दे पे नहीं सो सकता हूँ अब. Like it's मेरे से नहीं होता.
There are levels in hostels also,
Oh,
by the
so you're
way.
saying Anand Ambani is coming to hostels also?
He's making his whole hostel. But there are levels in hostels also. There are like some cheap
there's
hostels.
some
also.
very cool
Yeah,
ones.
that's also a different category only. If you, But then in the travel community, like it's like a cred thing that, oh, I stayed in a hostel so bad that
Oh,
there
yeah,
was
yeah.
fungus on the
Oh,
wall.
acha,
And then
acha.
somebody's like, oh, but I stayed in a hostel so bad that there was mushroom growing out of the
I think you're
fungus.
getting material.
This is the opposite competition.
opposite.
There's a lot in
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
There's a
Yeah.
lot in this.
Guys, my new special has been discovered. Coming soon. This is not joke field, joke resurrection, guys.
Yeah.
Joke exorcism.
Nice. Do you want to go to your set?
Yes. Okay, so my bit is about Vastu.
Okay.
I had written this many years back. As I don't release that much material, I keep revisiting older bits because I'm like, okay, now with age, maybe there's a newer perspective
Yeah,
to this.
correct.
So I sat with my parents believe a lot in Vastu. Then I asked the crowd, like, do you guys know Vastu Shastra? And some people nod. And I'm like, for those of you who don't know, it's one of the biggest hits given by Ram Gopal Varma. Nobody laughs.
Very nice.
Nobody laughs.
Very
Nobody
nice.
laughs. It's just for me. It's just for me.
Yeah.
Then I move on. And then I'm like, Vastu is basically an architectural science कि हर दिशा के हिसाब से कुछ होता है. So my father lost some money in the stock market. And not just him, the whole country lost a lot of money in the stock market. And when that happened, he called a Vastu consultant at home. The Vastu consultant had a look at a house and told my father कि the bathroom is in the wrong direction. In Vastu, it's always the bathroom. Bathroom is the Shani of the Vastu world. तो मेरे पापा ने उनकी एडवाइस ली और बाथरूम निकाल दिया. ओके
मतलब
निकाल ही दिया.
बाथरूम ही बंद कर दिया बाथरूम वहां पे. मेरे हमारा अटैच्ड बाथरूम था. सो ही शट द बाथरूम एंड आई वाज लाइक पूरी आई हैड नो आइडिया कि इंडिया की इकोनॉमी हमारे बाउल मूवमेंट्स पे डिपेंडेंट है.
Yeah.
ओके देन ही सेड कि मेरी बेटी की शादी भी करानी है. सो ही इज फिक्सिंग अ फाइनेंस प्रॉब्लम्स एंड मैरिटल प्रॉब्लम्स. सो ही सेड कि बेटी का घर आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में रखो तो बेटी की शादी हो जाएगी. एंड आई वाज लाइक हमारे घर में नॉर्थ गिरता है घर के बाहर और नॉर्थ ईस्ट गिरता है नेबर के बेड में. एंड आई एम लाइक आई लव द वास्तु देयर सो आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक देन ही सेड कि वो अगर वो पॉसिबल नहीं है तो यहाँ पे उपाय करते हैं कि वील चेंज द लाइटिंग इन योर रूम एंड वील पुट अ रेड लाइट. ओके शादी का
अच्छा वास्तु में ये भी होता है.
yes some
Some
other
जुगाड़,
solution
just
is
some
also
solution.
there. So शादी का माहौल बनेगा. And so my cousins come home and they call it the red light district of the house.
Nice.
At night they switch on the light and they play Mr. India, Mr. India. That was our evening entertainment.
Young people are like, what?
This
First
was-
Vastu, then Mr. India.
So this was my bit, and like I used to keep tinkering with it. Like I used to be like now, and when I turned a little older, I added a element ki I used to not believe in all this. I used to be like, this is hogwash. But now the older I get, the more I've started believing in all this. Because now I have a home loan. So now I believe everything. Like if somebody tells me ki 21 सोमवार गाय को चारा दो, EMI कम होगा, हम लाइक देती हूँ.
EMI कम हो.
EMI कम होगा that.
रेपो रेट के हिसाब से बढ़ता रहता है, राइट? सो आई वाज लाइक EMI कम
Nice.
होगा. कौन सी दिशा में लोन खत्म होगा मुझे बताओ, उस दिशा में मैं सो जाऊंगी.
Nice.
लाइक दैट.
Wow.
That's a good angle actually. That the
Yeah.
older you get, you start believing in all this.
Yeah.
That's true also.
Yeah.
That's true.
Slightly like you start like you're like there's no harm in trying it.
100%. You start off in your young, when you're 18, you're very Che Guevara.
Yeah.
And then as you grow older, you're like, कितने का उपाय है? आप बताइए हमें. No, I get it. This is interesting. This is one very interesting angle in terms of how we age. We look at our previous beliefs differently.
Yeah.
Because then you can expand it from Vastu to even more beliefs.
Yeah.
कि
Yeah.
what were you believing when you were younger? To what do you believe now?
Yeah.
And I feel उसमें relatability भी ज़्यादा है क्योंकि वास्तु is also might not be relatable to everyone. Everyone's heard it,
Yeah.
but everyone might not believe it. But they might relate to this notion of हाँ मेरा ये opinion होता था और अब मेरा ये opinion नहीं है. उस lens में I think there is something here.
I would build it as also trying to explain Vastu through people, but in a very making it sound as ludicrous as it does
Yeah.
sound. Like the idea also for me, first thought was that, dude, who has been upgrading the Vastu? Because clearly this was made like 1,000 years ago. Who has
Yes.
been upgrading this to keep in mind modern architecture also? Because
Yeah.
bathroom
उड़ा दिया.
is relative. No, because bathroom can be anywhere you pee.
Yeah.
So it's relative. No,
It
what
can
is
be a
bathroom?
plane also.
Yeah, so they said if bathroom has to be in this corner, you just start peeing in the corner of the bedroom. Your problem is solved in a way.
So that way, a jail is the best Vastu.
Yeah.
Inmates can pee anywhere.
That's why people on the road.
That would be great. Ki there's a guy who's in jail who thinks that the problem he's not getting out is the Vastu of the cell.
So every day he's being in a
"Sir,
different direction."
ये कमोद यहाँ पे लग सकता है क्या? मेरा term 3 महीने से कम हो जाएगा.
Hey, but I think he's right. Also, because you also do a lot of international festivals and all.
Yeah.
I think to explain the concept of Vastu,
It's feng shui basically. Then
हाँ,
I-
feng shui.
it is, but like
Feng shui.
Feng shui. ये भाई.
Feng shui.
Both very nice restaurants in Khar. Both very lovely places.
Feng shui and Bastian. Yeah, very nice.
Both lovely places.
But like to explain the concept of it and the things that your family has gone, the extent they've gone to change things around
Yeah.
for this. Like bathroom band kar dena sounds also very funny to me that dude, how do you just stop using the bathroom? I thought you will say कि the guy said कि sir आप ये वाला toilet बंद कर दीजिए कि आपने stock market में हक दिया है.
So that was one of the lines.
Yeah.
कि I used to first do it in English. कि India की economy ठक्कर परिवार. I should be like India's economy is dependent on our bowel movements. Okay.
Yeah.
So it does not work.
Correct.
Then I changed it to Hindi.
Yeah.
कि इंडिया की इकोनॉमी ठक्कर परिवार के हगने मूतने पे डिपेंडेंट
of
है.
course.
It
Kill.
worked.
Oh,
Kill.
kill.
Kill. तो मेरा मूड वहीं ऑफ हो गया कि ऐसे क्यों चल रहा है. मुझे नहीं बोलना ये to make it work. But then I caved in.
Yeah.
But then the more I started, then it just became like a separate thing. Then I started like pandering more by using those the words and the vocab that you know.
Don't be ashamed of your material. Yeah.
So I
Come
no,
on.
but then that is why I stopped doing the whole bit. That is why I stopped doing the whole bit,
Oh.
because a lot of it started going into, because then I've set the tone with that punchline.
Yeah,
Got it.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You know what I mean?
But
Yeah.
Sonali, the problem is not the material. The problem is your relationship with the word hug. If you just embrace
Just
the
embrace
word
the hugging.
hug,
Yeah.
if you just do what all us North Indians do, this is a killer 5 minutes, bro. This is a mental thing. It's not a material thing.
See, this is why she's option 2.
I relate with your.
Pad will always be funnier than fart, and that is why I
Yeah.
can't say
Yeah.
either.
Yeah, I can't do.
Yeah,
Both.
yeah, yeah.
Cannot.
Yeah, relatable.
Yeah, this is why we will never be famous.
I think that's what is stopping
That's
you.
what's stopping
It's
us.
like a Vastu guy is coming and telling Aseem, आप अगर पात बोलना शुरू करेंगे तो आप famous हो.
Would you rather?
P letter आपके लिए बहुत lucky है. this is something I noticed when my parents had taken me to the Vastu consultant's house, and the Vastu consultant lives in a very dingy home. So I remember asking my mother, I said, if he's so good at changing other people's fortunes, why doesn't he change his own?
That's great. That's super.
that's a very nice
That's a great.
So
The
that
thing
was
is-
one angle.
Or
I
is it
had.
a thing that you can't correct your own Vastu and like Vastu can
Yeah.
only be transferred? Like it's not a.
It's
Energy
a
cannot be
transferable thing.
You
Can only be
you
done.
can't be a solo Vastuer. You know, in
Yeah.
a sense, like you're only.
It's like Reiki के stages होता है ना. Reiki में you can do Reiki to yourself
Yeah.
first, then you can do to other people. It's like that.
Really? You do Reiki to yourself? You're like
Reiki
just
का
doing this
ऐसा
and
होता है,
shit
I
to
think.
yourself.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Reiki, I think level 1 is where you can heal yourself. If I'm not wrong. Level 2 is something where you can heal people, and third में होता है कि you can do like from far also. You don't need to.
वो तो स्ट्रीट फाइटर होता है वो मारते हैं एक दूसरे
This
को
is Star Wars. No, this is the Force.
Force, this is the force. I have one more, but that's a slightly tricky one to do. If I were you, I would start the special or whatever 1 hour you're doing and confess that you hate using the word hagga in the beginning.
Yeah.
So audience knows you are uncomfortable. And right at the end, just do some jokes which you know are not working on purpose.
Yeah.
So there is silence for a minute and then break that tension with the
Yes.
word hagga.
Wow.
Yeah, it was superb.
I
Like,
would-
do the original one that you
Yes.
like and
Yeah.
be like, see, now this hasn't worked, but now let me do it this way.
So then you are using the same trick
Yes.
that you
Yeah.
have told the audience you're
Yeah.
uncomfortable with to use it in the end, and they also know ki bhanchod, we also laughed
Yeah.
because then they are in on the joke with
Yeah.
you.
That is a really artistic way of doing it.
I would try that.
Yeah.
Like you're holding up a mirror to them.
Society.
कि, listen, ये joke अच्छा है, तुम लोग छूते हो. Basically that.
But hold the mirror in this direction because Vastu says.
Yes. Superb. That's your bit.
But great bit, dude.
Yeah.
I think Vastu is a great.
This is such an interesting insight. If I was doing like Sapan said, Vastu ka material for an international audience, I would probably write it totally differently
Yeah,
than
Yeah.
how
because you
I
have
would
to
write it
contextualize
for a
it for
Desi
them.
audience.
What is
Yeah.
it like? I said architectural science. Is this also you can also get into like how do people learn this? Like how do you become a Vastu? Is there a course?
Yeah.
Is there an internal thing that some people have like a magical
Yeah.
prowess to be like I have the skill to do it? Also, my other question was when you were saying ki you can change things around. If I send 2 different Vastu people to your house, will they both give you the same advice or will it be completely different? Because that can also fuck with you.
That can also fuck.
Like a
Yes.
doctor would give you the same advice for this thing. Ki, okay, if you're not well, have this medicine.
That also may be
That
not
also
true.
second. That's why people take second opinion.
Yeah, or in fact, and then there can be so much like, is this an industry? Are Vastu guys sitting and having a panel show like this? Where they're like, tell us about the houses that you couldn't fix with Vastu.
Yeah.
Vastu
Yeah.
funeral.
Very nice. You should find some Vastu people.
Vastu podcast would be
Vastu
great.
podcast would be outstanding.
Where all the microphones are perfectly placed, but one guy's mic is there because he's not fitting. He has to shout.
That's just then OCD on some level.
Yeah, so then I think
Vastu
that is a great
OCD
bit. Ki
also.
where is the line where Vastu ends and OCD begins?
Yeah.
India, if you build the premise like India gives you a lot of options to hide your own incompetence.
Yeah.
Okay, कि मेरा कुछ
Yes.
हो नहीं रहा है, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
वास्तु।
वास्तु भी यूज कर सकते हो, पेरेंट्स
शनि।
ने प्यार भी नहीं किया,
Astrology,
एस्ट्रोलॉजी
yeah.
एस्ट्रोलॉजी आप यूज कर सकते हो, फिर लिस्ट टू हाइड योर ओन इनकॉम्पिटेंस बहुत ज्यादा है।
Yeah, yeah,
ये भी
yeah,
आप
yeah.
फिर आप कुछ भी धड़ल्ले में खेल सकते हो, ये भी
Yeah.
पोटेंशियल है,
Fair.
एंगल।
Yeah, like literally, like all of these conversations, astrologer, Vastu, could be replaced with one line, bro, work on yourself.
Self.
Yeah.
हो जाएगा. Which is what therapy is, in fairness.
Yeah. Even there was a story of Mukesh Ambani not moving into Antilla because
Yeah.
the Vastu
Yeah,
was
so it was
not
kharab.
correct.
I remember
Somebody had a great
Kamra had a great joke.
Kamra had the
Yeah.
joke ना कि तू अंबानी है वास्तु तेरा क्या होगा
Yeah,
Which is
yeah,
so
yeah,
great
yeah.
yeah.
नहीं, वो तेल तो सारा वेस्ट में ही मिल रहा है। Everything is west facing now for the Ambanis. Nothing towards the east or the south. So
Adani's house are all port facing airport facing land facing
I was trying to write about Ozempic and the GLP-1 drugs because I think 2 months ago the law got passed that Now the patent is off. You know about Ozempic,
Correct.
the weight loss,
yeah,
the
weight loss
type 2
drug, yeah.
diabetes injections, which also help in weight loss, which is very popular everywhere now. And now the patent is gone. So now Ozempic, which used to cost like say 10-12,000 rupees, is coming for 300 or 500 rupees.
इतना सस्ता हो गया
इतना सस्ता हो गया 500 में मिल रहा है भाई. तो पहले मेरा पिछले साल जोक था कि I will start losing weight when Ozempic is available on Blinkit, which is now almost the reality.
the reality.
So I was just talking about the fact that how this is going to revolutionize everything. कि आपने रात को खाना मंगाया है Zomato से, बोला थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, एक Ozempic का भी शॉर्ट मंगवा दे. तो मेरा इस पे था कि इस पे like this is going to be so common that this is going to be available like आपको शादी में मिलने लगा एक काउंटर बुफे काउंटर में एक Ozempic मालपुआ ऐसा मुंजारो रसगुल्ला आपको आखिरी में मिलने लगेगा. Like that angle was that you will slowly get into like how Ozempic has become so common. It's going to become super common. And I had some silly jokes also that then Reliance will take over. They are called GLP drugs, GLP-1. So I thought Reliance will make one GOLP also out of it.
Of course. Oh.
Yeah, I see. But I'll tell you where this came from, okay? There's two angles in this. This started with actually, I went for a full body health checkup last year and I got diagnosed with fatty liver grade 1. So my doctor really lectured me saying, you have to lose weight. You have to walk 5 kilometers every day. You have to do strength training. Yeah, me, imagine. Yeah, unhealthy lifestyle, bhai. So we're traveling all the time. So bola ki you have to walk for 5 kilometers every day. You have to eat no sugar, have black coffee, ये वो बहुत lecture दिया कि by the time you come back to me 6 months later, you have to lose 7 kgs. So I'm like, oh fuck, बहुत काम दिया. Then my brother went for health checkup. He got fatty liver grade 3.
Oh, बाप रे.
Which is quite intense.
Yeah.
तो I'm like, मेरे को इतना काम दिया है तो मेरे भाई को तो क्या क्या करने को बोलेंगे.
Yeah.
मेरे भाई की रिपोर्ट देके बोला आप Ozempic शुरू कर दो. तो आई वाज लाइक तो मैं भी थोड़ा और मोटा हो जाऊं क्या पहले ताकि मेरा भी प्रोसेस आसान हो जाए क्योंकि उसको सीधे इंजेक्शन दे दिया मुझे बोल रहे दौड़ो भागो ये करो वो करो ये तो फेयर नहीं है यार.
I mean, the logical thing to that is that obviously you would rather fix yourself holistically
Yeah.
than
It is,
this
Yeah.
thing.
but I'm like that seems so easy.
How, in your experience, because I've never done material around this, like, is this again common knowledge? Like, people know?
I think a lot of like again hit and miss. I've noticed like a lot of like in Bombay a lot of people know because of Bollywood all
Yeah.
become so famous that Ozempic इसने भी Ozempic लिया इसने भी Ozempic लिया आजकल बहुत हो गया है. तो people know and this bit works that it's so common कि आपको ये शादियों में मिलने लगेगा like this like Munjaro Malpua Ozempic Rasgulla all of that works but I don't know where to take it. Like my one broader angle on this was that if you notice in the last almost 10 years we have biohacked the body so much. You can lose weight with GLP drugs. You can reverse baldness with hair transplant. You can get rid of your specs with LASIK. You can fix your teeth with aligners. So I feel like in 20 years, everybody's gonna start looking the same and everybody will become fit and good looking.
I would...
And then ugliness will be back in fashion. Like
That's a
people
nice
who are
premise.
not good
That's a
looking
nice premise.
Yeah.
will be like the demand will not be tall, dark, handsome. Will be short, fat, like
Yeah.
dusty.
You are authentic.
Yeah, you're
So
authentic.
I would have put that where you're doing all the aesthetic thing. Unfortunately, there is no drug to fix my personality. So
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
is this thing. You can change yourself as much as you want, but
Yeah.
आदमी तो तू गधा है ही.
Yeah.
So that is
Yeah.
because that would be the one thing that everybody relates to. कि
Yeah.
there's somebody who's done all of this, but वो आदमी खराब है.
Yes.
I would also try to introduce the audience to Ozempic, as he said.
Haan,
like,
exactly.
sure, there will be people who will
don't
know,
know.
but there will also be like, I would also probably say that everybody is using Ozempic weight loss drug, but not everybody admits it. What do they say? How they lost weight instead of using Ozempic? The things that they say.
Yeah.
Like, one thing I had noticed was Karan Johar on a podcast said, no, I'm not using Ozempic. I'm on OMAD. Okay. And then people in the comments were like, who's that guy? So just the things people say
Yeah.
instead of
OMAD
like,
is
they
one
will-
meal a day. I saw that podcast. I
Yes,
remember.
yes. So
I also
they will say anything but admit to the
admit to it.
fact.
Haan.
And Aishwarya is the only one who has admitted it, whereas Bollywood celebrities just do not
Do not.
admit it.
For me, what you're doing is you're approaching it very as observationally. Let me try punch. But
Yeah.
what I think you need over here, you need to have a strong opinion. Either way.
Yeah.
Right.
Either I'm like, you know what, fuck you, I want to take Ozempic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or fuck Ozempic, tum log sab chute. I think you need to go hard with one opinion.
Or
Yeah,
that
my
you
opinion
wanna
is
take,
that just take it, dude,
or
and
that
stop.
you
Yeah.
want to take Ozempic, but you're too shy to admit it. Or that, you know, like,
Yeah.
I don't know, you have like some shame attached to admitting that
Yeah.
you use it.
So I think because we're saying that Bollywood and everybody has shame, I think your angle should be, why are you ashamed?
Why are you
dude?
ashamed? Yeah,
Or like,
yeah.
everything that people would
Initial-
do to
my-
lose weight would be like, oh, I'm doing on this diet. People would show off about मैं keto कर रहा है, मैं
Yes.
ये कर रहा है, मैं
Yeah,
वो कर रहा है. But
Yeah.
now Ozempic you're hiding. So why
Yeah.
own it?
Yeah.
And then you can do the thing with your brother. I'm jealous कि he's getting to take the.
मेरा शुरुआत जेलेसी से ही हुआ था कि
Yeah.
आई वाज लाइक आई एम जेलस ऑफ दिस जनरेशन जनरली
Yeah.
कि तुमको ये मिल गया यार हम 10 साल से लाइक वी आर ऑल ट्राइंग टू बी लाइक यू हैव टू लूज
Yeah.
वेट यू हैव टू गो टू द जिम
ठीक है मिल गया इंजेक्शन पर हम दुनिया भी तो नहीं छोड़ रहे ना उनके लिए तो ठीक है वो पतला होके क्या करेगा जब 5 साल में तेल नहीं है उसके पास गाड़ी चलाने के लिए तो हो जाए पतला भागना ही पड़ेगा उसे बेचारे को जब गाड़ी नहीं होगा तो।
When they are putting 120 ethanol 120 जब आ जाएगा तो कहाँ जाएगा?
Correct. I think what you should also do in this bit, if you can, anyway, आजकल तो सभी करते हैं. I think you do it, we do it. कि use graphics for this bit. If you can put a screen, then I think that opens your bit up to doing a lot more visual jokes.
Yeah.
Because then you can do stuff like this face, do a
Yeah.
flip,
Yeah.
stuff like that. I think I know it's not pure stand-up, but whatever.
That's
इतना
true.
I
I think that will also
cares.
help with the audience understanding the concept of it if they don't know.
Correct.
Yeah, because I'm also initially I was assuming कि सबको Ozempic पता होगा.
नहीं. I think वो हमारे bubbles में
Like
हमें
so,
लगता है कि सबको पता है.
Yeah, so like visual, like even I was thinking, like if you wanted to explain, like you take like on a visual thing, you take like a silhouette of like a overweight person and you see the stomach, and then you try to explain, ki this is what Ozempic does. You see the fat layer. No, beyond that, there's this layer of insecurity. It gets
Yeah.
rid of that. So you can play
Nice.
those kind of things, like
Nice.
misdirection,
That's fun.
all of that.
Yeah.
You can do that.
The moment you make this graphic, I think it solves a lot of your problems
Yes.
in this bit.
Should we move on to your set?
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. I used to talk about adopting my dog, Peach. I used to talk about her adoption journey.
Okay.
And so one thing, ये कुछ I'll keep referring to my phone.
Yeah, please.
तो ये मैंने 1-2 साल ट्राई किया and I could never take it anywhere. इसके 2 एलिमेंट है. पहला एलिमेंट था I was trying to explain the adoption journey, where when I went to adopt Peach, the person at the shelter tried to discourage me from adopting her. I said, क्यों? कहते, are you sure you'll manage? It's because she's a girl. Correct. And that time I realized, I'm like, what's the problem? And they were like, no, lots of people adopt female dogs and then they return them because they have periods twice a year. And so then I was like, so okay, what will happen? Because I'm clueless about this. They said, no, so for once every 6 months, she's going to emit some pheromones from her butt, and then all the male dogs in the neighborhood are going to get very attracted to her. So I used to do this very lame joke कि उस time पे मेरा patriarch जाग गया कि मेरी बेटी पे डोरे डालोगे तुम parents. I used to do this one shitty sa joke, and then I used to do this one which was. So legit, I asked the shelter person, I said, so how do you solve for this if this is going to happen and I have to be that careful? Because they were like, सड़क पे भी आप walk पे लेके जाओगे तो कोई भी male dog will try and hump her.
Yeah.
And so I was like, what to do? They said कि आप एक काम करो, आप Vicks लगा दो उसकी butt के दोनों side पे, उससे क्या होगा? Vicks के smell से उसके pheromones mask हो जाएंगे. And I was like, can you imagine my dog looking at me, this kinky motherfucker every 6 months comes and just fucking rubs Vicks on my ass. And
की गोली लो, woof woof दूर करो.
और all your dog thinks you're really dumb. You're like, भाई Vicks यहाँ नहीं लगती है, Vicks यहाँ लगती है. कहाँ लगा रहा है?
Bro, I used to, when the shelter guy told me, I swear, I used to imagine, वो Vicks में वो नहीं जब graphic दिखाते थे छोटे छोटे कि नाक से ऐसे जा रहा है. So I would just imagine it going through her asshole. Just that circular motion. So I always used to do this joke.
This is too funny. Dude.
And the audience would be like, what the fuck? Because I've already lost them at what? Really? Is this a thing or are you making this shit up? Because it seems so unbelievable. Because even me at the shelter, I was like, this can't be true. There can't be millions of people in the city rubbing fucking Vicks on their dog's butt. And my last premise batata hu, which I felt was the funniest, but again didn't go anywhere, which is that about a year or 2 years later, I felt, and this also really happened, I felt like, Peaches, she started becoming low energy a little bit. Okay. So I was just talking to my friend who's also like a pet parent, and they were like, you talk to this one girl I know, she's a dog whisperer. She can talk she can talk to dogs. And I'm like, what the fuck? But that time I was desperate. I made the phone call. 4,000 rupees for one phone call. And true story, I'm having to fucking keep a straight face through this call. And she sits in Pune. And she's like, okay, so, don't worry. I'll talk to Peach and I'll talk to her around 3 in the morning. Because that time the waves travel. Because I was like, how will you talk to her? Should I get her to you? Will you come to the house? No, I'll
She's
talk
like,
to her through my connection.
3 बजे वो missing link पे traffic कम होता है.
Literally that. She's like, रात को 3 बजे I'll talk to her, and that's when it's the clearest for me to talk. You just send me her photograph. मैंने photograph भेज दिया email पे. I'm following through the process. 3 बजे I swear to God, रात को मैं उसके बस सो नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मैं बस कान ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूँ कि भैंचोद कुछ ऐसे ट्विच हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है, कि ये कुछ हमारी बिचिंग तो नहीं कर रही है, कि घर में इनकी क्या बात हुई है. Then next day I called her to follow-up call. Follow-up call is so I said, what happened? Why she's
How do they talk? But
through waves.
Telepathy.
Through waves. Yeah, they have animal communicators. This
Animal
is a
communicator
group of people.
through
Yeah, yeah.
Pune and Bombay.
but call लगा.
Through Zoom पे join कर रही
Yeah, I
है.
thought like, Peach
Am I
will
audible?
bark. I thought Peach will bark and she knows that, like how with babies you know the cries.
No.
I thought.
No, this is the thing.
Oh.
Even I have heard of this.
Yeah.
What is it? So then second day follow-up call. Okay, follow-up call. I had a conversation with her. She has told me that she's offended with you over 2 things. It's all true, okay? First is, she is saying she has nothing to look forward to. Okay, this is the dog whisperer has told me. Peach has told me she has nothing to look forward to. तो मेरा तब ये मैं जोक करता था कि मेरा ईगो जाग गया कि बेंच तुम्हें मैं सड़क से उठा के लेके आया हूँ, ठीक है, 3 BHK में तुम्हारे पास AC है, 4 मील मिल रहा है दिन में, ठीक है, और क्या चाहिए तुम्हें, ठीक है, तो रिलैक्स. एंड द सेकंड यूज्ड टू बी, शी सेड कि you take her, I think she's very offended with you because you didn't tell her about when you were going to marry Ismeet.
Oh.
This she has fucking thrown on my face. And I'm like, ये मतलब, is this now वो वाला generic? I was trying to take it into the joke. It never used to land like girls hating on other girls. This, as a guy, I have only heard that 2 girls never get along in a group. So this entire conversation, and इसका ending बड़ा खराब सा होता था, but this talking to a dog whisperer,
Yeah. Oh, this is very funny.
setup, and the setup of this adoption process of how hard it is to adopt girls
Yeah,
in
yeah,
India.
yeah.
Even when it comes to pets. Man, I tried this for like a year and a half and I couldn't take it anywhere. And the last thing, which was just the closing line I used to have on the set, is that same dog whisperer ended the call. By the way, she had a lovely 4 BHK house, I'm sure. So I saw why. She said, if in case you need me to talk to any of your plants, you let me know. I talk to plants also.
Yeah.
This was her fucking clothing side. I have fake plants in my house since that day. I'm like, fuck real plants. No one talking in my house without me knowing. No one dying in
Next
my
she's
house.
like, I talk to cushions also. Hey, sorry. You should do one call back. That she says that Peach is upset with you for 2 reasons. Number 1, she's saying, ये हर 6 महीने मेरे ass पे wigs लगा देते हैं आके. पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है.
Yeah.
Dude, so I didn't know.
If she could guess that, then that would be.
That
then
would
you
be
know.
real.
Yeah, that she couldn't guess.
Yeah, so I think that's the thing to add.
Yeah.
If she had said this, that would be like, yes, fucking double, take my money.
But apparently you can also ask specific questions to your dog through your dog whisperer. Instead
Yeah,
of
no,
this
Sana
random-
has done this. She's got
Cat whisperer.
Yeah, she's got an animal communicator who
I
will
will be
speak
cat
to her
whisperer,
cats.
am I right?
Oh, very nice.
Oh.
I was waiting for someone else to do it.
But I don't know, somewhere I felt like I lost the audience on a believability battle only. Like, चूतिया बना रहा है, ये तो हुआ ही नहीं है. कि ये तो profession ही नहीं है.
No, animal
It's-
communicator is a
it's,
legit thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's also slightly interlinked to her said that as you get older, you start believing in all this shit.
Yeah,
Never
yeah,
happened with
yeah,
you
yeah,
also,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
That initially you would not believe in all this shit, but now because you're in a situation,
I
where-
still don't believe, but it's one of those ना कि उस moment पे आप desperation
Yeah,
में like,
you'll
नहीं,
try
I'll
anything.
कर लूँगा.
Yeah.
You'll try anything.
I think you should introduce the concept with the job title. कि guys, हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, तुम लोग जो भी IT जॉब कर रहे हो, मार्केटिंग जॉब कर रहे हो, तुम्हें पता है ये प्रोफेशन भी है.
हाँ, कि कमाई
एनिमल
कितनी ज्यादा
विस्परर.
होगी.
Yeah.
एनिमल विस्परर एक जॉब है, पता है.
Like
और मैंने
when
ट्राई
you were
भी किया.
saying it, even I didn't know how they communicate right
Yeah.
now. So maybe
remotely.
is-
घर
You
से
should do
they-
this also. You should-
मतलब
you-
work from home नौकरी. You
Yeah.
can build it up that way.
You should also build up that you don't know. So you're like, so how will you talk? Do I contact you? Should we connect on Zoom at 3 a.m.?
Yeah. Google Meet link.
Google. Should I send you Google Meet link or whatever? And you're like, nahin, I'll just vibes, bro. Like
Yeah.
it's just like.
Where did you feel the audience was losing you from
The
the
lack
start?
of jokes. नहीं, but genuinely premise पे. They would not believe only कि ये dog whisperer है. It felt like to them, I felt made up story to try and get
So
Laugh.
I think you should introduce the top. Like if they are that shocked by the job description, you should be equally
Yeah.
like surprised. Like you should.
Just like
be on
you,
the same
even I
page.
thought it was a
Yeah.
made-up thing.
Okay, dude, I
Yeah.
found out something crazy.
Got it.
That
Or,
there's a job.
create a conversation. Like
Yeah.
my friend told me, bro, try animal community. I'm like, what the fuck is
Yeah.
animal community?
Yeah,
Going
like-
with that. Yeah.
Also ask the audience. Maybe 1 out of 100 people might have tried it. I have other question. Like, are they like? Do they communicate with all animals? Is it just
Everything,
pet?
everything.
Like
Everything, bhai.
tiger in the jungle also?
I'm sure.
No,
That's
so
a good
I have
premise,
a friend
but
of
that's a
mine
good
who,
premise though.
yeah,
Yeah, that's what I'm
I
saying.
have a-
Kahan tak, like, do they also, can they talk to a cockroach also?
Yes.
And ask him, bro, why are you not leaving this house? I've done pest control so many times.
हाँ,
तेरा क्या
that's a
problem
nice
है?
idea.
तू क्यों नहीं निकल
Yeah,
रहा
yeah,
है? तू
yeah.
क्यों नहीं निकल रहा है? Like, I
Yeah,
would use...
can you do pest control? Can you nicely ask the termites to leave my house?
Yeah.
That's a nice thought.
And the cockroach is telling his story also. He's like, भाई बहुत कर देगा पर इतना अच्छा 2 BHK CFC कहीं नहीं मिला.
Cockroach is
अरे
like,
भाई, मैं
सब लोग मुझे पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं मूवमेंट ज्वाइन करने के लिए, मेरे को नहीं जाने का है।
कल ही मैं जंतर मंतर से आया. बहुत problem.
मेरे वास्तु कंसल्टेंट ने बोला ये डायरेक्शन बेस्ट है, इसलिए मैं बैठा हूँ.
So like,
this
how
is
many
nice.
This is a
animals?
very good angle.
Where do you stop? Like, which animals,
Do you
trees,
stop? हाँ.
and like, is it only
They're
living
doing
beings?
name place animal thing. It's like you can
Yeah.
do that also.
इसमें अच्छा है कि उनका क्लेम टू फेम कुछ भी हो सकता है कि मैंने उस टाइगर से बात करी जिसने वीरप्पन की लोकेशन
हाँ,
बताई.
तो check कैसे करेगा?
Can they talk to Tiger Shroff? Can they talk to Tiger Shroff?
Nice. नहीं इसमें है कुछ कि मैंने बात करने की कोशिश करी पर 3 बजे वर्कआउट करके वापस आया. Who are you talking about? इसकी दिशा खराब थी. Sorry.
I think that getting that. Very nice, very nice.
What I also wanted to know, perhaps from an audience perspective, is like, what were you looking
I
for
was
in
gonna
the
say,
dog?
how did you choose Peach over
Yeah.
the other dogs?
हाँ उसकी तो एक्चुअल रियल स्टोरी है. उसकी रियल स्टोरी बताऊं? आई थिंक मैंने कहीं बताई भी थी. तो आई वेंट टू ऑल दीज डॉग्स एंड देन देयर वाज दिस पीच वाज इन वन कॉर्नर ऑफ द शेल्टर इन अ डिफरेंट केज एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाई इज शी there in that corner? She said, oh, she has diarrhea right now, so we've kept her away from the other dogs so that other dogs don't get ill. And I really, as a person with constipation, I really connected I really connected.
That's a great story.
Really, genuinely, this true story. I really connected कि यार बेचारी को तुमने अलग कर दिया यार. Like relax यार. क्या कर रहे हो?
So see, this will work better. We say कि वो साइड में हग रही थी.
Yes.
That's what you need.
हगना will तो 100%. हगने word पे laugh है भाई. Sonali, we need to do this.
I can't.
दोनों को
I need
हगना
a
will-
workshop too. I need a hugging workshop.
Are you guys going to retire these sets? Or are you planning to actually go back and
नहीं,
अपन
genuinely.
try करोगे ना आप ये?
I-
करोगे ना?
Yeah, ये
You try?
रिलीज मत करना YouTube पे.
Please. Please ही मत करना YouTube पे.
I've got motivated now. मेरा काट देना पूरा.
तो क्या रखूं? कुछ नहीं. Only super you.
I mean, isn't that the best outcome for everybody?
Yeah. No, please. I mean, this discussion will stay, but I hope at least like I think 2 out of 4 sets
Yeah,
make it
100%.
eventually.
This will eventually make
Yeah.
it.
And then one comment: Who is here after watching Joke Funeral?
Oh yes,
I'm desperate to write new material.
3 people from China. That's who's back.
And the dog whisperer.
Please, have you Googled what goodbye is? So please,
How ni?
it's Chinese Urdu for some reason. Great.
All right. Thank you so much, guys.
Hello, as you know, Joke Funeral is a show about jokes that did not make it to the stage, but I also have a lot of jokes that have made it to the stage, and I've compiled all of them into a brand new 1-hour stand-up comedy show that I'm going on tour with. These cities are already live, but I'm adding a lot more cities and countries. Tickets are on my website, they're on my Instagram bio, they're on Book My Show, so get your tickets. Come watch my brand new stand-up comedy show live. You will have a great time, and I will take your money. See you.